Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we explore the value and heritage of the UK 1 penny 1928 coin.
How much money do you really have in your pocket? A $204,000 penny found by a teenager. A $10,000 coin found in a Cheerios box. And an $18,000 penny found by one of our viewers.
This coin holds not only monetary value, but also historical significance. So, let's get started. Here we have the UK 1 penny coin from the year 1928. As you can see, it features the iconic image of King George V on the obverse and the classic design of a seated Britannia on the reverse. Now, you might be wondering, what's the value of this coin? Well, it's important to note that the value of any coin can vary based on factors like its rarity, condition, and demand among collectors. Depending on the coin's condition, it's not uncommon to see prices ranging from a few £100s to even $78,000 for exceptionally well-preserved pieces. If you're interested in collecting coins, make sure to do your research, understand the grading systems.
Welcome back. Today, we have a special treat for you as we delve into the world of numismatics and explore the value and heritage of a fascinating coin. I'm your host Old Chiller. Let's talk about the value of this coin. The worth of any collectible item, including coins, can fluctuate over time based on various factors, such as rarity, condition, and demand. One way to gauge the value of a coin is by looking at past auctions. The UK 2 new Pence 1980 coin has been sold in auctions ranging from £100,000 to £150,000 depending on its condition and other factors. Keep in mind that these prices are subject to change, and it's always a good idea to consult with a professional or use reliable sources to get the most up-to-date information. Apart from its monetary value,
1971 2 new pence coin in uncirculated condition can be worth up to £30,000. Whereas a circulated coin may only be worth a few pence. The UK 1 shilling 1962 coin is a rare and sought-after coin. It has a high numismatic value due to its age, rarity, and historical significance. At the Heritage Auction, the UK 1 shilling 1962 coin was sold for a whopping $700,000. You may wonder why this coin fetched such a high price. Well, there are several reasons. Firstly, the 1962 shilling is a scarce coin. Secondly, the coin is in an excellent condition, which is always a plus point for collectors. Thirdly, the demand for vintage coins is increasing every day, making them a sound investment.
It's the UK halfpenny coin from 1941 in good condition. 1941. The United Kingdom was in the midst of World War II, facing many challenges on the home front. The halfpenny, or halfpenny as it was commonly called, was an important denomination during this period. It was used for everyday transactions and played a significant role in the economy. During the war, there was a shortage of copper, which affected the production of coins. The UK government decided to reduce the size of the halfpenny, and as a result, the 1941 halfpenny was minted in a smaller size compared to previous years. This makes it somewhat more unique and desirable to collectors. Now, let's talk about the value of the UK halfpenny coin from 1941 in good condition. A UK halfpenny coin from 1941 in good condition can fetch a value of around $70,000 to $90,000 in an auction setting. However, it's important to note that this value can vary depending on factors such as the overall condition, rarity, and demand among collectors.
The UK 1 penny 1911 in black shade. This particular coin has garnered quite a buzz in the numismatic world. We need to understand its background. This coin was minted over a century ago during the reign of King George V. It features a distinctive black shade which sets it apart from its standard bronze counterpart. The reason behind this unique coloring remains somewhat of a mystery, adding an air of intrigue to its allure. Recently, a specimen of the UK 1 penny 1911 in black shade made its way to the prestigious Heritage Auction. The UK 1 penny 1911 in black shade is a truly exceptional find. The black coloring is believed to be the result of an early experimental process or a minting error. Whatever the case, coins like this are incredibly scarce, making them highly sought after by collectors. Absolutely. What makes this particular coin even more valuable is its excellent preservation. Despite its age, the details are remarkably sharp and the black shade remains intact. Coins from this era, especially in such remarkable condition, are incredibly hard to come by. The UK 1 penny 1911 in black shade sold for an astonishing $900,000. It's truly remarkable to witness the value that this rare coin commands. In today's market, the fortunate buyer not only acquires a highly coveted numismatic artifact but also becomes a custodian of an important piece of British history.
The UK halfpenny from 1934. The UK halfpenny from 1934 is a coin with a fascinating history. It was minted during a significant time in British history and carries immense value both in terms of its historical significance and as a collector's item. During the 1930s, the United Kingdom was grappling with the aftermath of the Great Depression, the country was undergoing economic challenges, and the UK halfpenny coin was a part of the currency in circulation at the time. I have an original UK halfpenny coin from 1934. Let's take a look at the Heritage Auctions website to see if we can find any recent sales of the UK halfpenny from 1934. UK halfpenny from 1934 in excellent condition. It sold for a remarkable value of £500,000 now. Please note that the value of coins can fluctuate over time and factors such as condition, rarity, and demand play a significant role in determining their worth. For those interested in collecting coins, it's always a good idea to consult price guidebooks or seek advice from reputable coin dealers. These resources can provide you with valuable information regarding the rarity and value of specific coins. 1829 King George V shilling coin. Now why is this coin so significant? Well, apart from its striking design and fine craftsmanship, this coin carries a piece of history with it. It was minted during the reign of King George V, one of the longest-serving British monarchs. King George V ruled from 1910 until his passing in 1936. He was a beloved king and his reign witnessed many significant events, including World War I and the Great Depression. Now, let's talk about the value of this particular coin. The value of any coin depends on several factors such as its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. The 1929 King George V shilling coin is considered quite rare, which makes it highly sought after by collectors worldwide. Its unique design, featuring a portrait of King George V on the obverse and a crowned shield on the reverse, adds to its appeal. Now when it comes to determining the value of such a coin, the 1929 King George V shilling coin fetched an impressive price. The winning bid reached $50,000, highlighting the desirability and value placed on this particular coin. However, it's important to remember that prices can vary depending on the condition and other factors.
The UK 1943 farthing coin. This little piece of history has captured the attention of collectors worldwide. Join me as we explore its fascinating journey and find out just how valuable it is in today's market. The UK 1943 farthing coin holds a significant place in numismatic history. Minted during the tumultuous years of World War II, this bronze coin carries a story of resilience and resourcefulness. The farthing was the smallest denomination of the British pre-decimal currency, valued at 1/4 of a penny. What makes the 1943 farthing so intriguing is that it was never intended to be minted. During the war there was a copper shortage, and the decision was made to strike these coins using steel instead. However, due to a mix-up at the Royal Mint, a small number of farthings were mistakenly minted in bronze instead of steel. The bronze farthing coins were quickly discovered, and most were removed from circulation to be melted down. Now let's talk about the value of the UK 1943 farthing coin. To give you an idea of its worth, we turn to a recent heritage auction. In a live bidding war, a pristine condition, 1943 farthing fetched an astonishing $100,000 to $130,000. The value of the 1943 farthing coin largely depends on its condition and rarity. Coins in excellent condition can command a premium price. Additionally, if a coin has any unique characteristics or variations, its value can increase significantly.
This 1927 UK halfpenny coin, but as you can see, it's in quite a damaged condition. However, that doesn't mean it's not valuable. The UK halfpenny, or halfpenny, was a coin that was in circulation from 1672 until it was demonetized in 1969. The 1927 halfpenny is particularly interesting because it was minted during the reign of King George V, who ruled from 1910 to 1936. Now, let's talk about the condition of this coin. As you can see, it has suffered significant damage over the years. It has scratches, dents, and wear marks, which are typical signs of circulation. These imperfections can impact the value of a coin, but interestingly enough, collectors still find value in coins like this. To give you an idea of its potential value, the coin we found on the Heritage auction website was also a 1927 UK halfpenny, but it had a similar damaged condition. Despite its flaws, it managed to fetch a significant amount at the auction. It sold for around $78,000, which is quite impressive considering its condition. Now, keep in mind that the value of a coin can vary depending on several factors, such as rarity, demand, and the
1963 UK 1 penny coin. This coin is a classic piece of numismatic history and comes with its own unique story. On the obverse side, you'll find the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, while the reverse side features the iconic image of Britannia. This coin has a fascinating design that has captured the attention of collectors worldwide. Let's talk about coin grading. The value of a coin can vary greatly based on its condition, which is often determined by a grading system. Coins are graded on a scale that ranges from poor to mint state, with various grades in between. The 1963 UK 1 penny coin in different grades. Here's a rough estimate of the value for the 1963 UK 1 penny coin in various grades. Poor to good, generally worth its face value or a bit more. Very good to fine, valued at a few cents to around $1. Very fine to extremely fine, can range from $100 to around $500. About uncirculated to uncirculated, these coins can fetch anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000 or more, depending on rarity and demand. The value of mint state coins can vary greatly, from $10,000 to over $30,000 or more, especially if the coin is in top-notch condition. So, there you have it. The value of the 1963 UK 1 penny coin varies greatly based on its grade. If you're lucky enough to have one of these coins in your collection, take good care of it and consider getting it professionally graded to determine its true value. Remember, the coin collecting community is vast.
Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more coin-related content.